Do you use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? Are you sick of having to plug your phone in, try and deal with messy wires, know where to put the phone, constantly falling in the way of the gear stick? I liked it back in the 90s, whenever the car phone was just part of the car. Well, thanks to ATOTO, you can get all that functionality and keep it within your car. So, in today's video we're unboxing the ATOTO CB6, showing you how to install it, walking you through all the features and testing how it works in the real world. Let's dive in. The ATOTO CB6 is what's called a smart box or an AI adapter. It takes any vehicle with a wired Apple CarPlay or a wired Android Auto and converts that to wireless. But with a twist. Instead of just mirroring your phone, it also runs a completely independent version of Android. That means apps, navigation, streaming, Bluetooth support and much more, all contained within one device. You can also run it off a 4G SIM card without even having to replace your car's head unit. Inside the box, you get the CB6 unit itself, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable. The device is extremely compact, roughly the size of a small portable SSD, which makes it easy to tuck away in the center console, underneath the radio, or you could even put it in your cup holder. Installing the CB6 is plug and play. All you do is plug the included cable into your car's CarPlay USB port, same one you'd normally use to plug in your phone. And the CB6 powers on automatically. Connect your phone via Bluetooth and that's you connected wirelessly. If you want standalone data, no phone needed, you can insert a nano SIM card for 4G connectivity. The feature most people will care about is the wireless... The feature most people will care about is the wireless... The feature that most people will care about is the wireless... The feature most people will care about is the wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Once paired, every time you start the car, the CB6 automatically connects to your phone, without even touching a single cable. Maps, calls, messages and music all work exactly like native CarPlay or Android Auto. The real magic happens when you switch to Android mode. There's a full Android operating system running in your car. You can use apps like Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Maps and many more. Because it's not limited strictly by the Android Auto or CarPlay, it gives you far more flexibility. So while using the ATOTO CB6, all your car controls still remain the same. Thanks to the CB6's built-in GPS, you can run navigation even without a phone. Media playback is smooth and you can load content from a micro SD card or external storage. Some versions of the CB6 even support voice assistance and multitasking. The Causeway Coast. So how does it actually perform? In real world use, the CB6 boots quickly, typically under 20 seconds. Wireless CarPlay is stable and Android apps run surprisingly smoothly, considering this is a tiny box powered by your car's USB port. If you have an older car, your USB port may not be powerful enough, but luckily the kit includes an adapter so you can give your CB6 a bit more juice to get all the functions. Overall, the CB6 delivers a reliable and smooth experience. If your car, van, microcamper has wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and you wanted to make it wireless, the CB6 is the perfect choice to make this happen. So as you can see, the ATOTO CB6 is a brilliant solution to enhance your car's entertainment system. So thank you very much for watching our video review of this ATOTO CB6. If you enjoyed watching this review, please check out our other product reviews in our channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to come.